Hey, what is popping, you guys? Okay, so today I listen. My mom wanted me to try these Starburst sparkling ice drinks. Okay, we saw them at Food for Less when we went on a cute little grocery run for her birthday. We got her a cake and stuff, but she she saw these and she was like, for a video. And I was like, okay, tea. I was like, okay, bitch, period. So I did already try 2 of the flavors, but I feel like it's like the 2 flavors that like nobody really cares about, which is why I tried those, because I feel like I'm very excited for orange and I'm very excited for pink Starburst. But you know, cherry and lemon, girl, please. I mean, lemon's okay, but please. So let's do the very basic one first. Let's do lemon. I already tried it. It is giving cream. It has like the back of the taste bud is like that creamy Starburst flavor. You know what I mean? It's very good. Does not taste like water of any kind. This is soda. This is soda. Okay, this is quite literally soda. It tastes really good though. But I mean, it's good, but like it's a little cloying. I would be lying if I didn't say it was a little cloying. It is a little cloying. It gets a little intense on the senses, but it's still good. I still fuck with it, you know? I still vibe with it. I vibe with that soda. Okay? Then we have cherry. Also, I made myself shit in a bowl. I made myself chirolilo with cheese, mozzarella. And then I have tortilla chips. So that's really good. But chirolilo is like beans with like pork inside of them, if that makes sense. It has like little like pork shreds in there. I'm trying to locate my napkins. Oh, there they are. Okay. Oh, no, that's not a napkin. Fuck it, we'll use this shirt. Didn't want to wear this shirt anyways. Fuck it. Okay. So, any hoozles. Let's try cherry. It's definitely tart, like the cherry Starburst. I feel like it definitely, honestly, at least the 2 that I've opened and tried, they taste very identical to the actual like candy, which I find very perplexing, but it's good. And it says 0 sugar with vitamins and antioxidants. Girl, this color, that amount of burpees, vitamins and antioxidants. Okay, whatever you say, queen. Whatever you say, queen. I literally want to look up the ingredients, because what do you mean by that? Apple juice concentrate, fruit and vegetable juice. What? For color? Beta carotene for color. Paprika. What? For color. Natural flavors. Green tea extract. D-alpha. Tocophargonate. Vitamin E. Why did you just say vitamin E? Niacinamide. Isn't that what people put on their face? I mean, you could probably consume it, but that's still a little weird. That's vitamin B3. Calcium palmitate. That's vitamin B5. And then peroxide hydrochloride. Vitamin B6. Biotin. cayenne cutzilabine, which is vitamin B12. Cir Circulose? Sucralose? Sucralose! What? Sucralose? Alright, queen. Citric acid, gum Arabic? Arabic? Gum Arabic? Ester gum, calcium, disodium, ida, to protect flavor. Potassium synzotate to ensure freshness. So I'm gonna get cancer from these 4 drinks alone. They sound freaky. I know it's technically just vitamins, but like, why can't they just call them by the same vitamin? Why do they have to? I mean, I guess they have to put the scientific name. I don't know, girl. It's still a little freaky. Anyways, this is the orange one. Obviously, we're saving pink for last, girl, because that's the best flavor. But orange is very close second. Okay, let's try. That is not a bad orange soda. That is not a bad orange soda. It is giving mild creamsicle at the back. Mild creamsicle in the back. But it's like it just feels like a fancier Fanta. Partially. Feels a little Italian soda-y. I'm gonna be so real with you. It feels a little Italian soda-y. But that's a good orange flavor. That's a good, like, I guess technically it's not artificial orange, but it is. I don't know. Whatever. It's good. That's good. That's a good orange soda. I recommend this one. That's a good orange soda. I'll rate them at the end. Okay. And then lastly, the queen of the hour, but I'm gonna have another chip. I'm gonna have another chip, queen. Hold up. Oh. Mm. Mm. Who said beans and cheese couldn't be a fucking palate cleanser? So fucking good. Okay. The last bitch of the bowl. I am very excited for her, and I'm very scared as well. But I'm... Ooh. Okay. Expectations are very high. And I feel like I'm going to be let the fuck down, but it's okay. I'm prepared. I'm prepared to be let down. But I really hope this is good. I say a prayer for you. Okay. This is the lightest tasting one out of all of them. Out of all of the ones that I thought would abuse my senses, I thought this one would be the one that would, like, you know, the senses, but it's one of the lighter ones. The orange is crazier than this one. This is not giving strawberry Fanta. I'm gonna make that so clear. It's so light. This one feels light. This one feels so light in comparison to the others. It's good. Just a very light flavor. Especially in comparison to her sisters. That's cray cray. Those are cray cray. Okay, let's rank. Let's start at the bottom. Bottom, cherry. Cherry, honey. You just don't taste right. You're a little tart. There may be an audience for you. There may be someone that really likes you. But I am not that bitch. Okay? I don't really like this one. If you like tart drinks, if you like... If you like sour drinks, then you'll really like this. I don't like my drinks to be sour. It makes my stomach hurt. I don't really like it. Not the biggest fan of this one. It's good, but I don't think I would ever pick it up again. Third place. We're gonna go with... honestly, lemon. Hey, queen. You are way too limoncello-y for me. Like, you're just so creamy. It's such a creamy lemon soda. Like, it's like a cream soda. Like, this is honestly kind of like a cream soda. I kind of like how each one kind of has a vibe for like a type of person that you are. If you really like cream sodas, then you'll really like this. It tastes good. It's just, again, like, I don't really go for cream sodas. Same thing with, like, sour sodas. Like, I don't really be going for sour sodas. I don't really be going for cream sodas. So, like, that's why it's going to be third place. Still really good, but I wouldn't really be going to it. Yeah. And, yeah. Yeah, no. Like, it's good, but it's really creamy. Really creamy. Okay. Second place. Brr. Or should we just say first place? I guess it'd make more sense if we said first place. First place. Brr. Okay. We got these two bitches fighting up against each other. And you know, they're both really good. Okay. They both showed what they had to show. But there is one that is a very clear winner in my heart. And one is gonna have to be orange. I really like the orange one. It's so good. It's literally so good. It tastes like a stronger Fanta. Like, it just tastes like, you know, I feel like it attacks the senses. I really like that. I feel like this one would be like my second choice at the store. Honestly, I feel like I'd probably get these two in Junction and then like probably have the pink one first, because it's like you always gotta have the second one first. So I would probably have the pink one first, and then I would probably like go and like drink the orange one with like a meal, you know. But they're both really good. But I'm gonna have to give it to orange, because Pink is just really, she's really light. Like, she would be good with like a wrap, like 100,000%. Like with a chicken Caesar wrap. Oh honey, this is the drink for you. Okay. Even with some vodka, like, she'd probably be really good. But yeah, no, I don't know. I feel like when I'm like eating food, I like a soda that attacks the senses. I mean, my type of soda that I always drink is Coca-Cola. It's either Coca-Cola or it's fucking Dr. Pepper. And then my like light soda that I like is always going to be ginger ale. So it's like, I wouldn't really go for like crazy abominations like this, but my mom wanted me to try them out on video, so I did that for her. But yeah, no, they are good, but I don't think I would get them again. But yeah, I don't know, they're probably fun for like a party though, for like mixers, you know. But yeah, anyways, I love you guys, and I dedicate this video to my mother because she really wanted me to do this. And I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Love you guys. Go get them if you like them. I don't know, but yeah, bye.